Hi, I'm Tricia Weber. I'm the plant director at GE Vernova in Grand Forks, North Dakota. My responsibility is safety, quality, delivery, and every aspect of our people. We make wind turbine blades. The entire blade is made here locally. We start from scratch with the mold. We build the entire blade and we ship it off to the customer at the wind farms. Clean energy is bringing a lot of opportunities. We're working on a project that's for North Dakota, Badger Wind for Ørsted. It's a great feeling to know that what we're building here in our community is going right next door. I love my job here. Obviously, I've worked here for 21 years. There's 600 employees here. The people are what keep me. Now you got me choked up. I love Grand Forks because it's a quiet community, has a lot of great people in it. Thank you very much. It's just a very nice place to raise a family. North Dakota's leadership has really helped to bring wind farms and jobs like this to the state. We know that we're giving back to the people, in this case, energy for powering their homes.